Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Nano Banana Pro for free without an API key. Start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure you are on the Chrome homepage, where you can see the Google search bar. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Google Apps icon. It looks like a grid of small dots. A menu will open showing different Google apps. From this list, find Gemini. Click on Gemini to open it. Once Gemini loads, take a moment to look around the page. On the main screen, look for the option that allows you to create an image. When you see the Create Image option, click on it. After clicking Create Image, a new window or panel will appear. In this window, you will see a message that says you can try Nano Banana Pro. Click on the Try Nano Banana Pro option. Now you will see a prompt box where you can type what kind of image you want to create. Click inside the prompt box and write your image description using simple and clear words. After entering your prompt, submit it to start image generation. The image will now be created using Nano Banana Pro. This allows you to test and use Nano Banana Pro features for free and without entering any API key. Thanks for watching.